If I were a boy, even just one a day, I roll up in bed in the morning and throwing what I wanted and go. Drink beer with the guys and chase after ghosts. How can I get rid of who I wanted, and I never got confronted for it, 'cause I stick up for me. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'll be a better man. I'll listen to her, 'cause I know how it hurts when you lose the one you wanted, 'cause I've taken you for granted and everything you had got destroyed. If I were a boy, I would turn off my phone, tell everyone it's broken, so they think that I was sleeping alone. I put myself first and make the rule as I go, 'cause I know that she'll be faithful, waiting for me to come home, to come home. If I were a boy, I think I could understand how it feels to love a girl. I swear I'll be a better man. I'll listen to her, 'cause I know how it hurts when you lost the one you wanted, 'cause I've taken you for granted and everything you had got destroyed. It's too little too late for you to come back. Tell you just a mistake, think I forgive you like that. If you thought I would wait for you, you thought I wrong. But you're just a boy, you don't understand. Yeah, you don't understand. Hey, how it feels to love a girl someday. You wish you were a better man. You don't listen to her. You don't care how it hurts until you lost the one you wanted, 'cause I've taken you for granted and everything you had got destroyed. But you're just a boy.